Good day, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. We're here aboard this brand new 195 Scout, and what an awesome boat this is. This particular boat's equipped with a bow cushion. It has a Yeti Cooler, which is a real nice setup with a cushion on it. Does have a porta potty, lots of room in the console of this boat, by the way. This particular boat is equipped with a T-top, very nice one that Scout makes. Does have spreader light, rod holders, life jacket bag, really nice setup. The console of this boat, very well laid out. This particular boat's equipped with trim tabs, a stereo, great sound and stereo from Fusion, your Yamaha gauges. It also set up with a very nice leaning post seat live well combination. Real comfortable. The backrest is removable for when you're fishing, so you can use the extra rod holders. Has a jump seats in the back, 150 Yamaha 4-stroke, very fuel efficient, very fast. And the nice thing is these boats ride fantastic. So for more information or to get out and ride this boat, please give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you.